Hello guys, today we're specially making with Korean fried chicken. How to make, please see. In begin start. Add for ginger juice in chicken and cucumber and soya also add, and add for egg also. Nicely mix, and potato starch. We're going to dust it with chicken and slowly fry. Cooking oil. Slowly fry and take out 5 to 6 minute rest. Then going to make for sauce. Take for one bowl of water and Korean chili paste and homemade chili paste also add, and white pepper, oyster sauce, and tomato sauce also, and add it for roasted sesame seed, because of roast means coming nice flavor of sesame, and cooking wine. Call for sake also. Nicely mix all sauce one bowl, and take our chicken, this fried chicken, again reheat fry like coming golden color and crispy, and take for one kadai, little bit oil, saute garlic and this sauce added for this kadai. Nicely 1 to 2 minute cook and added for this fried chicken. Nicely mix. Is ready for Korean fried chicken, and put one plate. Garnish is roasted sesame seed on top and onion greens part on top of garnish. Video like this, please subscribe and follow my channel. Thank you.